President Obama wants to create a government-owned health insurance company to compete with private health insurance companies. Actress Vivica A says she would not buy government-run insurance because she is, quote, taken care of by the Screen Actors Guild health insurance coverage. Actress Gabrielle Union, however, tells CNSnews.com she would buy government-run health insurance. President Obama announced recently that he's planning on creating a government-run healthcare company to compete with private companies. Would you yourself buy government-run healthcare, that government-run program?
No, I'm very well taken care of by the Screen Actors Guild. So I've been very fortunate throughout my life that I have with the union that provides adequate health care, pension plan that they, since I have started acting 20 years ago, that they have contributed toward my pension plan and for my health care. So Vivica's taken care of.
And are you in general a supporter of universal health care?
Sure. I think we definitely need universal health care in America. I think we're probably the only country that doesn't have it. Everyone has to buy their own insurance. I mean, that's one thing when you go to Europe, that it's already taken care of, that if you get injured or you go to the hospital, that you will be provided with adequate health care. Also in Canada. So, yep, it's about time that America catches up with that.
The president has announced that he would like to create a government-run company to compete with private companies. Would you buy a government-run healthcare program? Would you buy into that program?
You know, I want the best program. You know, and if it was for me or my family members, I want the best. And it's like, you know, like in Canada, their government offered is better than the private sector. So if we can put together a package that is comparable, I'd say why not? You know, but the goal is that healthcare, quality healthcare, shouldn't be for the few; it should be for everybody. And so, if our government-sponsored, you know, healthcare package is quality enough for my neighbor, it's quality enough for me.
And what would you be looking for specifically in the package?
Full coverage with low premiums would be what I'm looking for. I mean, as an actress, it's like we don't make not nearly as much as people think, and when you have to pay the copay, you know, for every little thing, and half the time, you know, you submit your bill and it doesn't get, you know, approved, and you have to come out of pocket thousands of dollars. You know, that's pretty tough. You know, it doesn't matter who you are, unless you're, you know, Angelina. It's, you know, we're not all making $20 million a picture, and you see a lot of actors go into bankruptcy behind healthcare. So this isn't an issue that only affects certain sectors of you know, our population. It affects everybody. So.
Both actresses appeared with Oscar-nominated actor Terrence Howard at the Children Uniting Nations Gala, a nonprofit organization designed to offer, quote, role model support, guidance, and a sense of community to foster children, as well as promote the importance of an education. What can the federal government do to improve what's already been done on this issue?
Well, the main thing that they can do is that we need necessary funding. So we need to have some security, and we need to have shelter so that these children, once they get in one home, that's where they can stay. That we can make sure that a lot of the children aren't abused, you know, to make sure that there's proper guidance, and we just really want to make sure that we get the necessary funding to make this go forward.
Both actresses' comments were made at the Children Uniting Nations Gala. Nicholas Balsi, CNSnews.com, Washington.